Do whenever.
Hold on. She has to be off.
Okay.
But he has to pretend you have to pretend
Vanessa! You are such a jerk. Whoa,
Dick! That's horrible!
Vanessa!
I discovered this.
Vanessa!
He actually yawned. Like, he was holding her and he was just yawning and it scared the crap out of her.
Vanessa! Wait. Vanessa! Hello, mama. Ay, chiquitita. Vanesita. Mamá. Vanessa. Vanessa. Chiquita. ¿Qué te están haciendo? Te están asustando. You're such a... She didn't do it. Dude, why did she get scared? You're freaking bogus, George.
You're a dick,
Yeah,
man.
you're recording it and laughing.
Do it again. Hi, mama. Hi, chiquitita. Dude, her shoe fell. Or it fell earlier. Ya, acuéstale y lo hazle otra vez.
That's mean, man. Stop doing that to her.
Huh?
Stop doing that to her. It is kind of funny.
That was hilarious. I wish I would have caught the first time.
Shoe and foot is really close to
Yeah. Kick your daddy, baby. Kick your daddy.
Hazle otra vez.
Can you tell me a piece?
You're such a jerk, George.
Okay. But leave me a piece
She's
first.
so cute. How come the other one stays on? I think it's because maybe the other one's loose.
When her feet are, her
I
toes
guess
right,
it's
she goes like
grow
that.
vegetables. Like a vegetable.
Vanessa! 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 Ten cuidado, George.
I'll still do it.
You hear?
I'll tell you
Vanessa!
when at the
Vanessa!
in July
Fuera!
is when the plants
Mira este.
start getting pretty inexpensive. Something happened to the yard. Well, the front yard is like ridiculously soft. And sinking.
¿Cómo la hazle otra vez el yawn?
So I don't want to do anything to the front porch like it's
She growls, dude.
She crawled like a perro. Vanessa! Vanessa! Fuera! ¡Ey! Ya acuéstale y asústala otra vez. Yo, qué mala. Que acuéstale y asústala. ¡Ay, cómo estoy preciosa, mi chiquita! ¿Quién te quiere tanto, penijía?
I can't remember, some kind of animal or something.
¡Ay, mi niña preciosa! ¿Quién está tan preciosa? ¿Tienes estás cansadita, muchacha?
No,
Cuéntate,
animals,
cuéntate, cuéntate.
something that basically like dig under the ground.